this is Tanny, and he's come back with a new topic in this vlog today. Um, are you ready? Wow, like me, I'm here to stay with you about one of my hobbies. Do you want to get this? Oh, I'm sure you cannot find this answer my that I ask you. Okay. Okay, the thing I want to say with you, that's grow vegetables. That thing helped me so much. When I have free time, I want to do things that help me decrease stress. I'm really like to grow vegetables, and I grow vegetables every chance I can get. Look at the vegetable. Watch the seeds of gen germ germinate vegetables and grow out. Eat they like it. Let me talk more about my hobby. First, I will find a piece of vegetable land, and then I will do the soil and grass, the sun drying for the soil pests, and then I will go by seed to plant my favorite seeds. I um, like tomatoes, squash, spinach, onions, and chili, um, many more. Um, Price at that availability than 10,000, but the kite much more expensive, and almost 30,000. A small packet of two, 200 grams rice. Um, I mean, it is the weight like a small book, a small notebook. I write every day. Um, then I bought a more fertilizer, so they could grow fast. Finishing all the buying process of fertilizer and seeds, I started back home and plant them. First, I will put fertilizer on the soil of the vegetables. I want to plant. In addition to the fertilizer, I bought outside, and I added more sawdust and sawdust from the house. After mixing them into the soil, I started leveling and spreading the seeds on the surface of the land, and I will divide it. Divide it into the small zones with the differences. Each type of seed I will have different soil as well as different land areas that they need to grow. Vegetables should be salt on the surface and less salt to grow thicker, and more onions and squashes have to soil deeper into the soil, and also soak them with warm water before sowing. After spreading the seeds, I the seed to the vegetable bed. I began to scratch the ground for flat bed surface. Then I went to get water to water them with two buckets of water. We shall wet them and then cover them with a moisturize the soil and have them grow faster. 1 to 2 days after sowing, the seeds begin to germinate. And we will lift away the further coat on the surface of the other vegetable bed. Every day I still water them regularly, twice in the early morning and late afternoon. 10 to 15 days later, they grow very fast, about 5 to 10 centimeters. We can start harvesting with the pre-kernels and other vegetables. Will need more time. Look, young green vegetables. Sprouts are delicious. We can make many dishes with them, like mixed salad, cooking soup, spring noodle. 1 month later, other vegetables start to be harvested, and whole process of near 1 month of planting full of fun, taking care of them and watching them grow up day by day is a great thing. It's like having to take care of your little ones grow up, and we also have to connect with them, talk to them every day. They will find ourselves in every little seed. There we will return to nature, where can heal on your horse trade. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.